How's it going, everybody? Gabe here from the RM Young Company. I am the Business Development Manager, and today we're going to be unboxing the all-new 93,000 ResponseONE-Pro. This is an all-in-one weather station, so you are going to get the parameters like wind speed and direction, temperature, relative humidity, and barometric pressure all in one sensor. Additionally, it can be integrated directly with our tipping bucket rain gauge for the necessary precipitation data. Without further ado, let's get this box open. We always recommend keeping the box for when it is time to send the device in for recalibration. You want that device to be protected when you're transporting and so on. So this is what your device is going to look like. In the box as well, you will receive two tools, a filter removal tool and a sensor stick removal tool. These are also very important to keep safe and handy. Differences from the 93,000 to the 92,000. The mounting post is slightly offset. We did this for a couple of reasons. The biggest being the access to your sensor stick, which is temperature, relative humidity, and barometric pressure. To remove this sensor stick, open up the port window for the filter, and you can see that in there. You will set the filter removal tool on and kind of press down as you rotate until you feel it, until it seats itself on the filter. You will unscrew the filter. You'll take that and set it aside. You will take your sensor stick removal tool and you will slide that down, pull out your sensor. You will take your sensor stick then, throw it in the garbage, grab your new sensor stick, and slide that back in. Take your filter, set it over the sensor, screw your filter in, close your port window, and just like that, your temperature, relative humidity, and barometric pressure is going to be restored to factory specs. So you can find more information about this on our website. You can inquire directly through our website. All of those inquiries come straight to me. I will get a response to any questions you ask turned around as quickly as possible. This device, the 93,000 ResponseONE-Pro, is available for purchase now. Thank you for watching.